Bro, shut up, Gray.
The National Weather Service in Maine has issued a special marine warning for Casco Bay, coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles, coastal waters from Fort Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine out 25 nautical miles, waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles, waters from Fort Clyde, Maine to Cape Elizabeth, Maine from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 7:25 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 nautical miles west of Freeport to near Portland to near Old Orchard Beach to 6 nautical miles northwest of Portsmouth, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail.